Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow palette series video. We're going to be doing the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions today. I'm really excited. This palette, God, I feel like I bought it, used it once, never used it again. Like, it looks pretty much brand new, but I'm excited to play with it. So let's just get started. I'm just going to prime my eyes as always with the Louise base. Then I'll just blend it out. So normally I zoom you guys in to do my eyes, but someone commented on my video the other day and they said they prefer when I don't zoom it in. So what do you guys think? Comment your opinion, like, or your opinion. Is that your opinion? Yeah, your thoughts below. Would you prefer if I kept you guys kind of like this while I do my eyes, or if you want me to zoom in? For today, what I might do is kind of maybe like about this, so you can still kind of see my whole face, but it's a little bit closer to my eye, you know? But yeah, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think. So these obsession palettes from Huda Beauty just have 9 shades. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a pretty basic and quick look today. But that's fine. I think I'm gonna start with this shade here. Or should I, or is that too dark? No, we'll start with that. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna put that all over my eye. Actually, a little bit like lower. Like, I won't put it up the top. I ripped some skin off my lip today, and now it's like all lumpy and really sore, and I don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, actually it was last night. I ripped some skin off my lip last night and now it's sore and lumpy. The shade's really beautiful. I thought it was going to be heaps darker, but it buffs out really nicely, so that's great. It's hard because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, and you know, there's some really great ones that just get kind of skimmed over because, I don't know, you know what it's like. I have so many makeup orders on the way and I'm so excited. Like, I thought one of them would have arrived by now because this is the most orders I've had like in a long time. I want to count and see how many orders I'm waiting on. 10 orders. 10 orders. And none of them have arrived yet. None of them have arrived yet, and I'm disappointed, you know? And because I did a order with Mecca on Thursday, so I for sure thought that it would have arrived on Friday, and then it didn't, and I was like, oh, it'll definitely be here by Monday. Still not here, Mecca. Like, I'm gonna take a bit of this middle shade, which is like a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna use that to like buff out this. But yeah, anyway, you know? Whew. I definitely thought it would be here, but it's not, and I'm like, okay. But anyway, yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, hopefully there shall be some hauls and stuff coming up soon. And yeah, I've got some exciting videos on the way. I actually cannot wait. Like, why does shipping have to take so long? I shipped my giveaway prize to the US today, because that's where one of the winners live. It cost $106 to ship it to the US, and I was like, I shipped something to Bali last time, and that cost about, I saw it was only about $65, and for some reason I just thought the US would be like cheap, but obviously like Bali is closer to Australia than what the US is. But I don't know, like, I just thought the US would be cheap. I don't know why. But no, it was very expensive, and I was like, I did not expect that. I was like, okay. Next I'm going to take this shade here. It's kind of like the first shade we used, but just a little bit darker. I'm just going to put that like through the crease as well. It's a really rich shade. It's like really nice. And then before we add our next colour, I'm just gonna blend this. Blend it all. And then I'm gonna take like the dark brown of the palette and just do the same with that. Kind of decided halfway through this look that I want to do a halo eye, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna cut my crease, like the halo part, and then I'll be back. Okay, I can't tell if I hate these or not. Or which one I like better. Okay, anyway, what I'm gonna do now is just blend that dark color into it, and then hopefully, you know, it'll look a little bit better. Alright, so I'm just gonna take that dark shade again and just use that on the edge to just blend them. I feel like this eye look is like a mess, but anyway, when we put the shimmer on it should be okay. I'm just so bad at halo eyes, I just don't know why. Anyway, what shimmer? This one? I feel like that's too close. It's too dark, I feel like. Oh. I feel like that one. So that's this one here. It's like the lightest shimmer in the palette. I feel like that'll do. Give it a second till we blend it, okay? Alright, take this brush again. Alright, I'm gonna take my big brush and do a blend. Okay, I kind of want to do some liner. Does liner look weird with a halo eye? I don't know. To be honest, and the reason I want to do liner is because I found this liquid eyeliner yesterday. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. I'm obsessed. So. I just feel like liner doesn't suit halo eyes, but oh well. As I said, I just kind of wanted another chance to use this eyeliner. Pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, do my lashes and everything. I have a foundation to try out, so I'm gonna do that off camera as well, and then I will be back. Okay, this is the finished look. I just did a foundation first impression, so if you want to watch that, it should be up after this, I reckon, so keep an eye out. But this is how my eyes look. I think they look really nice. It's not my favorite look, but it's definitely not the worst, and yeah, I feel like it turned out quite well for kind of how stressed I was in the middle. I was like, oh, I don't know if this is going to be okay, but no, I feel like they look really nice. I feel like this palette is a really nice one for like, because I feel like when you look at it, it looks a little bit intimidating because it's a little bit kind of like not as neutral, I guess, but like when you actually see it on the eyes, I feel like this is a perfect like everyday look, you know. So yeah, I think this palette is really pretty, and yeah, I feel like it's worked well, did what it needed to. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.